Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rachel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys a new deep conditioner that I found. Well, it's not really new, it's quite old, but I feel like it is slept on. So I thought I'd bring it to your doorsteps because it's an amazing deep conditioner and yeah, I absolutely love it. So before we get into the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, and of course if you like the video, make sure to also hit the like button. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Alright, so the deep conditioner that I'm talking about is the Bodyworks Split End Repair Mask. Now, this bad boy over here is supposed to transform hair and prevent additional damage. It's supposed to strengthen hair and lessen breakage and help you to experience fewer split ends. Yeah, you get 16 fluid ounces and I think I paid about £11 for this, so it's relatively on the affordable side. And I've used this a few times and I've hardly made that much of a dent. I've used about a quarter of the jar, so a little does go a long way and it lasts a long while. Another thing is the smell is absolutely amazing. It smells like some kind of citrusy flavored ice cream. Yeah, that's the best I can explain it, but it's one of the best smelling like hair masks that I've tried, or hair products in general that I've tried. And I really do like this because as well as like moisturizing my hair, there are some proteins in here, so it does strengthen your hair as well. So it's got, what is it, Hydrolyzed, Adansonia, Digitata seed extract, and yeah, it's got a few other stuff in here. I'll leave the ingredients to of this product down below. So I'm going to be showing you guys just how I use it, how I apply it to my hair, and then I'll show you the results afterwards. So this is my hair freshly washed. I actually did a tea rinse, a green tea rinse, because I feel like my hair's shedding a bit. So, well, I know hair sheds naturally, but I feel like it's excessively shedding. So I tried to do a green tea mask, so my hair's a little bit on the dry side. So even better to show you guys how amazing this product is. So yeah, I'm going to just start applying this to my hair and I'll come back at the end with my results.
It's been years since I had a change, always a watch out, lighter to the gasoline, oh, couldn't hold me, now I'm living better days, hot chick in the black Corvette, like she drove right out of a magazine, and oh my gosh, I never seen something so bright, like the sky, always guiding me, oh my gosh, I never seen something so beautiful and rare. Let me breathe your air, baby. Girl, come into my life and love me. Girl, come into my life and love me. Girl, come into my life and love. Brightest thing I ever seen. Never wanna leave the stream. Hope it's you. Hope it's you. Girl, hope it's you. I've been seeing visions, once in a lifetime, only us till the end, oh, put it on me, we just wanna get away, faded, but it's okay.
I just slept literally with my bonnet on and a plastic bag, and yeah, hopefully nothing bad happened. See, people do this all the time. It's very shrunken compared to when I kind of had it first applied. It's really shrunken, but it's very bouncy. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to go and wash this out and I will come back and show you the results. Alright guys, so I've rinsed down my hair and this is what my hair looks like. It's really springy. I don't know if you can see that. It's just really springy, bounces back, and it's also really soft. So I'm quite happy with, you know, how my hair is. My hair's fine. It's absolutely fine. Nothing bad happened. I thought my hair would be, you know, extra soggy and, you know, just kind of feeling kind of limp because I left it in too long. But it's fine, my hair is perfectly fine. So that's pretty much basically the end of the video, guys. And yeah, I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button, and of course, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to also hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.